my beautiful people? Fernando David here, and I'm going to give you the top 5 states in which Airbnb is not only exploding, but is doing extremely well as it relates to occupancy rates. And I'm proud to say that Florida is number 1. Florida has an occupancy rate of 55%. Number 2 is going to be California with an occupancy rate of 53%. Number 3 is going to be New York with an occupancy rate of 49%. Number 4 is Texas with 48%. And last is Colorado with 43%. Why is that important, people? Number 1 is, if you've been following my channel, you know that I've been saying this since the pandemic, that the short-term rental industry has been the only bright spot in the travel industry. Number 2, if you're looking to invest in short-term rentals, those are the top 5 places you should be investing in because they're doing extremely well. And number 3, now is the time to do it. More and more, I believe that the short-term rental industry is what's going to continue to, or the short-term rental industry is going to continue to grow, because I don't see the hotel industry being a challenge or an obstacle for the short-term rental world, because more and more people want more privacy, something where they're not associated with unknowns, and in the short-term rental industry we have all that. Love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.